Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Bissell Pro Heat Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro will satisfy anyone looking for a deep cleaning machine with simple features and powerful cleaning power. There are two cleaning modes on this upright carpet cleaner. The Max Clean setting is best for deep cleaning heavily soiled carpeting, while the Express Clean setting uses less formula and water to speed up drying times. Packing in 12 rows of rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes, it delivers professional grade cleaning to remove deep down embedded stains, dirt and odors. Express Clean mode delivers dry carpets in about 30 minutes. Activate the Clean Shot Pre-treater to deliver a concentrated stream of cleaning solution right where you need it. Lightweight design and low profile foot makes it easy to use and maneuver around furniture. Removable brush roll cover gives easy access to efficiently clean and maintain your deep cleaner. Our second best commercial carpet cleaner is Hoover Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner was not only effective at removing both fresh and set-in stains, but it was also one of the most user-friendly devices available. It is divided into two tanks, one for dirty water and the other for clean water. The tanks are clearly labeled, and the machine's release button makes emptying the dirty water tank simple and mess-free. The 5-foot hose wraps around the machine for compact storage when not in use, and the center handle makes it easy to carry around your home. This one stood out in our testing because of its powerful cleaning abilities. It cleaned the set-in ketchup stain just as well as the fresh coffee stain. Achieve ultimate portability with this lightweight design to reach and remove stains virtually anywhere. Keep clean and dirty water separate so you can easily fill, empty and rinse the tanks. Third pick in our list is Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green rose to fame on TikTok, as users filmed themselves cleaning impossible-looking stains on carpet, couches, and chairs. Each stain was cleaned in perfect 3-inch paths by this machine. You could see the Little Green sucking up the fresh coffee spill, and it was able to clean the set-in stains of orange juice, ketchup, and potting soil with no pre-treatment and only a faint stain left behind with a little elbow grease. Spot and Stain with Febreze Freshness includes a bright and refreshing spring scent to fill your home during the cleaning process. Easily rinse out your machine's hose after each use. Scrubs and suctions away tough stains on carpet, upholstery and auto interiors. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Hoover Power Dash Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Power Dash Pet Carpet Cleaner easily tackles pet messes and everyday stains while delivering 2x more cleaning power than the leading lightweight carpet cleaner. Our new Power Spin Pet Brush Roll provides a powerful clean for high traffic areas and small spaces. This easy-to-use pet carpet cleaner delivers a compact and lightweight design for efficient cleaning and storage. Plus, the Power Dash is designed with heat force power to deliver even faster drying for any space. Ideal for your pet carpet cleaning needs. The Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is made to loosen and suck up pet hair from your carpets while also attacking tough stains. We think it's a great deal for the lower price. The Power Spin Pet Antimicrobial Brush Roll, which drives bristles into the fibers of carpets and rugs to loosen and collect hair, will be appreciated by users. Heat force for faster drying so you can get back on your carpets quickly. Then the competitive lightweight carpet cleaner comes with a Hoover nozzle cleanout tool and a Hoover trial size solution to help enhance your cleaning performance. Let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best commercial carpet cleaner list is Rug Doctor Pro X3 Carpet Cleaner. This is the carpet cleaner to get if you want to invest in a professional grade carpet cleaner for your home or office. It cleaned the fresh coffee stain, set in orange juice stain, and set in potting soil stain in one pass in our testing. It took 2 passes to remove the set in ketchup stain. It also came ready to use right out of the box, making setup a breeze. You can also order a hose with an attachment separately if it doesn't come with one. This carpet cleaner is effective, but commercial carpet cleaners have a drawback. For starters, they are large and difficult to store. They're also loud and bulky. We had to place it in a large plastic tub and hold down the solution release button until it was completely empty because the clean water tank isn't detachable. We recommend that you use the machine until it runs out of solution in your home. Enhanced Carpet Extractor Vacuum Motor with ProGrade suction power removes pet stains and odors, gets the floor cleaner, and aids in faster drying times, making these ideal steam cleaners for home and commercial use. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.